Hello, hello, OFP Nation. It is Sunday, December 22nd, 2024, and we are here for our weekly analysis. Ooh. All right. For those of you who are with us live, please go ahead, let us know in the comments who is with us and where you are tuning in from. And for those of you who are watching the replay, thanks for coming to watch the replay. Nick, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Yes. All right.
All right. So, hello to those of you who are with us. Please let us know who is with us so we can shout you out before we get started. AZ. I'm here from AZ. Now, what does AZ stand for? Because, it could be in the United States. It could be outside of the United States. So, can you clarify?
AZ is Arizona, isn't it?
It is Arizona in the United States, but for all I know, it could be a country too. So, okay, I just wanted to make sure. I didn't want to assume. Well, hello. Welcome from Arizona. Hi, Victor. How are you? Hello. All right, we are going to we're gonna dive in. We're gonna take a look at what's going on in the markets. This week should be an interesting week. We will have a day where the markets will be closed due to the Christmas holiday. But we'll see what we can get out of the markets this week. Are we ready for the analysis, my friend?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, let's dive into it.
Right. So let's actually go into the dollar index first. Seems that's the one we always look at. So first things first, CTrader just introduced the economic calendar in the app, so you can actually check what's gonna be coming like this week on a Monday, Tuesday, and everything like that. What's high impact, low impact, moderate impact, and everything like that. So that's the major update on CTrader. So looking at US dollar index, we seem to be still in an uptrend. We haven't yet broken the trend line. So I believe in this coming week, dollar will still be strengthening, probably till the end of the year. So for now, wouldn't really want to jump into any long opportunities, but yeah, we're yet to see what happens this coming week. We have lots of news Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, all the way to Friday. Yeah, so that's what we have in store for the week. Now let's go to our usual pairs. Alrighty. So let's start off with dollar Mexican. So dollar Mexican, this bad boy has been doing a lot of things. We finally hit this target like at the end of the week. What a surprise. It went all the way up, then just smashed immediately on the way down on a Friday. And then we hit this level here. So this coming week, actually see it as to probably go up slightly, then come down and come to this support level, then probably continue down with that. Apart from that, we're doing nothing. US dollar yen has been skyrocketing for quite some time. Like in the middle of the week, it just went all the way up. And so right now, we're just going to be looking for some short-term opportunities to see where this market is actually going. So for now, I wouldn't say that this is a good trend line whatsoever. But yeah, if it does get broken, we'll obviously be waiting for it to come all the way down here. Then when that level is actually reached, that's when we will look to enter into a sell position. at 153. Let me come down to these support levels, but we already have a pin bar here, so this may be the first target. Then from there, we'll probably see what to do next. And then euro dollar. So with euro dollar, still loading. So euro dollar, we pushed all the way slightly down, and now we seem to be recovering. So we're still holding this position. In this coming week, I still believe we might actually even come up to this level, probably on Tuesday. I've yet to see. But like the dollar index where it is, we just need to be careful on that one. We actually have like this sort of like pin bar-ish. That's where we came all the way down to strongly to try and fill it, but it seems we might fill it or not. If we don't, then this will be a area we'll just say we'll come back next time. But looking into this coming week, I do see us probably going above these resistance levels for the coming week. And apart from that, nothing much I can say on euro dollar. Let's look at CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss. Okay, what are these lines for? These aren't my lines. I don't know. I think CTrader must have added some new features whatsoever with these lines. Maybe they're just like some technical analysis lines like resistance and support, I think. But either ways, we still haven't reached this level, so we are not doing anything as of now till this level is broken. Apart from that, we'll just be watching CAD Swiss, and if it does come all the way to the bottom, we'll draw another trend line until that trend line is broken. Then we'll go all the way up. Let's look at pound yen. So pound yen, we did reach our target, which was here, and we seems to be deepen all the way down. So for now, we might actually be looking for some short-term opportunities on pound yen. So till this trend line is broken, we will still to monitor this until this trend line is broken, any support is broken, and maybe we'll be looking to enter to a short-term opportunity on pound yen. And then last but not the least, gold. Gold recovered slightly, which is great. We're still holding this. So this coming week, if maybe you drew a trend line over the way here, this would trend line would be broken. But I see that this resistance area is our first target, and this one being our second target. Oh, look, I see trader drawing up some really nice resistance levels that are actually very obvious. But yeah, this will be areas that we might be looking to actually target for this coming week. So, but looking at the fact that we have a holiday on Wednesday, I don't think gold will be doing much crazy moves. We might actually be moving sideways till the end of the year, but I'm yet to see what happens next on gold. Right, and then let's look at NAS 100. NAS 100, it pushed all the way down, then it did a recovery. I'm still thinking this was just a slight pullback, and then probably this coming week we might be looking to go all the way below here at 2700. So that is what I'm anticipating for the coming week. US 30 actually did something magical. It pushed all the way down as well, and it pushed all the way back up. I still see us coming to this level as that is our first and only target that we had. So I still think we are literally gonna have to still fill up this pin bar in this coming week. So this coming week, we might actually come all the way down to 42,000. Then after 42,000, once we break that, then we'll come all the way down to 41,500, probably be coming all the way below here. So that's my anticipation on US30. Let's look at Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin, we broke the trend line. Support was broken. This push to the downside is very much valid. Targets, this was an actually very ideal target right here. Yeah, but we seem to have not yet filled it. So this coming week, I do see us coming all the way to 91600. That is an area that we might be aiming for, 91600 this coming week. So basically going below this previous pin bar or low, and then coming all the way to this low, which we had over here. So that's what I'm anticipating with Bitcoin. Then let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum actually reached our target, which was here. It spiked all the way down, which was great. Right now, you could probably look for long opportunities, but maybe shorting opportunities would be great. So if we do go below 3,100, I can say, yeah, 3,100, then these shopping opportunities may come all the way down here to 2,350. Yeah, we might come all the way to our initial target. That's what I'm anticipating with the drop if we do go up below 3,100. Let's also look at Brent oil. Has it been really doing anything? So Brent oil, it just seems like we've been in a very strong and tight sideways movement that doesn't want to be broken yet. Maybe when Trump is sworn in as president, who knows? Maybe that's when oil might actually push strongly to the downside. But we're yet to see. We're yet to see what happens next. Apart from that, let's look at pound dollar. So pound dollar is still holding strongly. We did go below this support level, but we immediately reversed back up. We yet to see what happens after this move. If we come all the way down, we're definitely going to just get stopped out. Then from there, we might be looking for other longing opportunities. But we are yet to see what transpires this coming week. It's either we're going to continue our ascent to the upside, or continue this downward descent, and this was just probably a pullback. So that is what we're anticipating on pound dollar. Let's look at Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand seems to be heading for our target. So it's moved on strongly. We even had a gap. So, and that gap got filled immediately, and now it's continuing with its ascent. So this coming week, we are definitely looking to probably make a new high. From there, probably continue till the target is reached. Yeah, that is my anticipation on Euro New Zealand. Let's look at New Zealand CAD, which is almost in the same scenario as CAD Swiss. So New Zealand CAD, it's actually just broken the whole structure. It gapped to the downside. So you know what that means. We might actually be looking to fill out this gap in the coming week. So gaps going all the way to 8160 are good at this point in time. So I will be actually putting a pending order. I just don't know why it's not doing up a pending order. Oh, they've really changed things here now on CTrader. They have literally changed things. So we'll put our stop loss all the way down here. Then our target will be just there where the pin bar or where the gap happened. So this is practically like a one-to-one trade, which we are looking to fill up the gap. If we do push to the downside some more, we'll probably buy more from there, then aiming for 6160. That is the target for the gap. Apart from that, I believe we have already covered all the pairs. Yeah, so that is all. Right, Ria, you can come out from hiding now.
Hello. All right. Does anybody have any questions or any pairs you want us to look at before we go today? Let us know in the comments. I'll give you a second to respond. In the meantime, we still have our awesome promotion going on where you can get up to 60% off. Be sure, if you haven't had the opportunity to take a look at some of our major price drops on our accounts, that you go ahead and do so. Yeah, let's get ourselves all the capital we're going to need to win big in 2025. So. All right. It doesn't look like anybody has any questions or that there's any pairs that you guys want us to look at. Wednesday, we won't be here, guys, because Wednesday is Christmas. So we will be, doing whatever it is we do on that day. Everybody has a different thing that they do. But we will be back next Sunday for our weekly analysis. Yeah. Nick.
Yeah, I'm here.
Do you have anything else you want to say?
No, perfectly fine. I'll just say trade safe, enjoy the holidays, and well, I wouldn't say see everybody next year because Sunday is not 2025 yet.
See you next year. That's pretty close. Youngster TJ from Arizona. You know what? Staying plugged in is one of the best ways for you to increase your chances of success. I don't know how long you've been trading, but I think staying plugged in is one of the best things you can do for yourself, because there's always something, there's to learn and space to grow and to sharpen yourself as a trader. So we appreciate you being here. We appreciate those of you who come and hang out with us. This would be very boring if we didn't have anybody to talk to. So, we appreciate our OFP family, and any way that we can help add value to your journey, man, it truly is an honor and a pleasure for us to do it, because this is just as much as our passion as it might be yours. So keep doing what you're doing. And, we look forward to hearing about your success, as time goes on. So welcome. I don't know if we have any more comments before we go.
Nothing on my end.
All right. Thank you for that feedback, Victor. We appreciate that. All right, guys. Thank you for coming and hang out with us today. We will be back again next Sunday, not Wednesday. Wednesday is Christmas. For those of you who celebrate Christmas, enjoy your day with your family. Be safe. And and we'll see you next Sunday.